My name is Patrick Jameson, and in this video, we're going to assemble the frame. I'm going to add the slanted sill adapter and show you where the sealant needs to be applied at. We have our left and right jambs. Here's our left jamb. You're always going to view it outside looking in. This is our exterior of the jamb. Here is our main frame track and header. This is the exterior of the header, and this is the exterior of the track. I'm going to start off by assembling the right jamb to the header using the screws that were provided in the bag. Prior to assembling, ensure you have the frame members clean and apply the sealant around the perimeter of the frame. Always use a screwdriver to tighten the screws to prevent damaging the frame or breaking the screws. Repeat the same process when assembling the left jamb to the header. Apply your sealant and hand tighten your screws. I am now going to assemble the left jamb to the track. I'm going to follow the same process by cleaning and applying the sealant around the edges of the components. Always remember to use a screwdriver to hand tighten the screws to prevent damaging the frame or screws. Now repeat the same process when assembling the right jamb to the track. Once the frame is assembled, apply sealant inside of your frame, up the leg, and across the top of your track. Once the sealant's been applied, snap on your slanted sill adapter. You might have to use a block and a mallet to snap it down. So to recap, we have assembled the frame, added the slanted sill adapter, and applied the appropriate sealant. In the next video, we're going to install our assembled frame, add the panels, the screen, and all the handles.